Understanding the intricacies of your space is the cornerstone of any successful home interior design and renovation project. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery as we delve into the site analysis phase, laying the groundwork for transforming your house into your dream home. This pivotal step lays the foundation for our entire design journey, offering valuable insights into the existing conditions of your space and informing our design decisions. In this phase, we'll conduct a thorough assessment of a site, taking into account its structural, functional, and aesthetic aspects. Whether you're renovating a cozy apartment or a sprawling villa, understanding the nuances of a space is essential for creating a design that not only meets your needs but also enhances the overall functionality and appeal of your home. Let's begin by examining the structural elements of your space. Structural elements form the backbone of your home, shaping its layout, functionality, and the overall aesthetic. During the site analysis phase, we conduct a comprehensive assessment of these elements to identify opportunities for civil related interventions that can enhance the spatial dynamics and visual appeal of your space. One key aspect of analyzing structural elements is evaluating the existing layout and configuration of your home. This involves examining the placement of walls, partitions, and other architectural features to determine their impact on the flow and functionality of each room. For example, we may identify opportunities to remove a non-load bearing walls to create open plan layout that promotes better circulation and connectivity between living spaces. Alternatively, we may explore the possibility of repositioning walls or partitions to optimize the use of space and create more functional areas within your home. Another consideration in structural analysis is assessing the dimensions and proportions of each room. By carefully measuring the dimensions of walls, windows, and doorways, we can ensure that our design proposal align with the spatial constraints of your home. For instance, we may identify opportunities to expand or shrink room sizes to better accommodate your lifestyle needs and preferences. Additionally, we may explore creative solutions such as vaulted ceiling or mezzanine levels to maximize or utilize the vertical space and create a sense of openness and volume within your home. In addition to evaluating the layout and dimensions of your home, we also assess the conditions of existing structural elements such as walls, floors, and ceilings. This involves identifying any signs of wear or damage or deterioration that may require repair or reinforcement. For example, we may discover cracks in the load-bearing walls that need to be addressed to ensure structural integrity. Similarly, we may identify uneven or damaged flooring that requires leveling or replacement to provide a stable foundation for your interior design scheme. By conducting a thorough analysis of structural elements during the site analysis phase, we can identify opportunities for civil related interventions that can transform your home into a more functional, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing living environment. Whether it's reconfiguring room layouts or repairing structural damage, our goal is to create a design solution that meets your unique needs and reflects your personal style. Next, we'll evaluate the conditions of your building services, including electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems. Building services play a crucial role in the functionality, comfort, and safety of your home. During the site analysis phase, we conduct a comprehensive assessment of these services to ensure that they align with your design goals and accommodate any necessary modifications or upgrades. Starting with the electrical works. One of the key aspects of building services analysis is evaluating the electrical infrastructure of your home. This involves assessing the conditions and capacity of your electrical wiring, distribution boards, outlets, and fixtures to ensure that they meet your present and future needs. For example, we may identify outdated wiring that needs to be replaced, or insufficient outlets that require additional installation to support your desired lighting and appliance configurations. Additionally, we may explore opportunities for incorporating smart home technology, energy efficient lighting fixtures, and home automation systems to enhance the functionality and efficiency of your electrical setup. Next, we have plumbing works. Another critical component of building services analysis is evaluating the plumbing system of your home. This includes assessing the condition and functionality of your pipes, fixtures, and fittings to identify any leaks, blockages, or corrosion that may require repair or replacement. Additionally, we examine the layout and design of your plumbing system to ensure that it supports your desired fixtures and appliances, such as sinks, showers, toilets, and kitchen appliances. Then we have HVAC, that is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning works. HVAC systems are essential for maintaining indoor comfort and air quality throughout your home. As part of the building services analysis, we evaluate the condition and efficiency of your heating, cooling, and ventilation systems to ensure optimal performance and energy efficiency. This may involve inspecting the condition of your HVAC units, ductwork, filters, and controls to identify any issues or deficiencies that need to be addressed. In addition to assessing specific building services, we also evaluate the overall site infrastructure to ensure that it supports your design objectives and lifestyle requirements. This may include reviewing the location and accessibility of utility connections such as electricity, water, and gas, as well as assessing the condition of driveways, pathways, outdoor lighting fixtures. By considering the broader site infrastructure, we can identify any potential challenges or opportunities that may impact the implementation of your design vision and develop strategies to address them effectively. As we dwell deeper into the site analysis process, we'll also consider external factors that may impact our design decisions. This includes evaluating the orientation of your home, natural lighting conditions, views, and proximity to neighboring properties. Are there any environmental factors such as noise pollution or privacy concerns that needs to be addressed? By taking a holistic approach to site analysis, we can create a design that not only looks beautiful but also functions harmoniously with its surroundings. By end of this site analysis phase, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of your space, including its strengths, weaknesses, and potential opportunities for improvement. Armed with this knowledge, we can proceed to the next phase of our design journey with confidence, knowing that our design decisions are grounded in thorough understanding of a site and its unique characteristics. Just to summarize, in this episode, we've dwelled into the critical process of site analysis for your home interior design and renovation project. We've explored the importance of assessing structural elements, building services, and overall site infrastructure to identify opportunities for improvement and enhancement. From evaluating room layouts and dimensions to assessing the conditions of electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems, we've learned how a thorough site analysis lays the groundwork for creating a safe, comfortable, and efficient living environment that aligns with your design goals and lifestyle needs. By understanding the intricacies of your space and addressing any challenges or opportunities proactively, you'll be better equipped to embark on your home renovation journey with confidence and clarity. Stay tuned for the next segment of our conceptual planning phase, where we'll explore the process of identifying spaces with good design potential. Until then, happy analyzing.